Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. So the first step you simply need to do is to search ChatGPT, and you simply need to open this website, and then you need to click on try ChatGPT. And you can see that I already log in into my account. So here are some examples, some capabilities and some limitations. So let me try this keyword, how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. So let me paste that, and here you can see that it will give me a response. So you need to wait for a few seconds and it will produce a response for me. So we need to wait because many people are using this tool nowadays, and so there is some load, so it will taking some time. We can try another thing. Right, you can see that. Write essay on laptop. So here you can see that it will give us the instructions. So let's try this write essay on laptop. Okay, so once it is completed I will show you. So it is giving me the instruction that how I can use ChatGPT by OpenAI as a completely beginner. So once it is completed I give him a new instruction. So you need to wait, and you can see that it is providing me an accurate information that I need. So let me try. So here you can see that it is providing me the detail that how I can use that. Okay, so here is the code as well. So if you want you can try different keywords here. So let me try this one, write essay on laptop. So it will start writing essay for me on the laptop, because nowadays many people are using, so it will take few seconds, but you need to wait, and after that it will start writing for you. You can use it for many different purposes. It is a new technology and I hope you like this as well. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.